Hemming a skirt so it looks perfectly even on you can be really challenging. You might have fabric that has a lot of drape to it, so when you hang it and wear it, the biases in it are pulling differently, so your hem's looking all crazy and wild at the bottom. And even if you measure from the waist down and put that chalk mark at the right length you want it, when you hold it up, some of those points stretch out. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to make this really easy for you. And just real quick before we start, if you're really loving Sewing Anastasia, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're looking to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out my online classes, Sewing 101, Serging 101, and the Sewing Club. Links are down below in the description. Now let's get back to hemming this skirt. You might think the most accurate way to hem a skirt is to measure from the waist down, but actually measuring from the floor up is going to give you that perfect looking hem. And that's because if you have some volume in the back or on the sides, the fabric needs to go over that shape and it's going to take up more fabric. So if you'd measured it flat on the table and then you put it on over your volume, there's a good chance that skirt's going to come up in the back or on the sides. So the best thing to do is put it on and measure from the floor up. But that can be really tricky unless you have a laser.
Laser on.
Today, I'm going to be using a self-leveling laser on a tripod. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and get perfect hems. And you can get these at a hardware store or online, really anywhere, but I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to get the exact same one that I have. It works really great, so I recommend it. The first step is setting your laser level to the hem length you want plus seam allowance. Today, I'm leaving an inch seam allowance. Now, it's going to be really important to leave that seam allowance so that way we have something to hem with. Today, I'm going to be demoing this on a dress form so that way you can really see how to do this. So today, I've set the dress form exactly to the same height as my waist. Now, if you don't have a dress form, you can do this on yourself, but grab a friend and then they can chalk, pin, or cut right where that laser level is. Today, I'm going to be brave and I'm just going to cut it off. So let's turn this laser on and see what happens. Okay, let's turn it on. There we go. So you can see it wobbling around a little bit when I turn that on, and that's because there's a pendulum in here and it's self-leveling. So you don't have to worry about that level being unlevel or trying to adjust it perfectly. It's self-leveling, which means it's going to project a perfectly straight hem for us. So right where this horizontal line is, you could chalk it, you could put pins there. I'm gonna go wild right now and I'm just gonna cut right where that line is. Just wanna point out, you can see the line waving around the fabric, and it's supposed to do that. It's just getting all of the contours of the fabric. So no matter which way we move our fabric, it's going to keep it nice and level for us. And one quick tip before we cut is just make sure that this is hanging and draping down from your waist or wherever the project needs to be sitting on you. And I've also reinforced the waist up there with some pins so it doesn't move on me. Okay, now it's time to start cutting. So I'm just going to snip into it, and now I'm going to start following that line all the way around and cutting. And since I can turn the dress form, I'm just gonna work my way all the way around, turning it a little bit at a time. You can really see that the laser is following this hem right around. You can see that everything is staying in place. This is making it so nice and easy. We did it. We chopped off that hem right where we needed it. Check this out. It looks even and it was so quick to do, right? That didn't take me like any time at all. I didn't have to spend a bunch of time measuring out everything from the ground up or the waist down. We just threw that laser level on and chop, 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 chop. And we've got a new hem. A perfectly level to the ground hem. What? Just like that. Taking into account all the curves of your body. Now that we have it cut perfectly level, it's time to actually do some sewing and hem it. You have a lot of options here. You could blind hem it, you could roll hem it, you could single fold hem it, you could bias face hem it, you could use some hem tape. There are so many different ways you can hem something, so make sure you check out all my hemming videos for tips and tricks for hemming. I also wanted to share with you guys this old school skirt marker. I'm sure some of you guys have seen these, or maybe you even have one. So this little canister here gets filled with chalk. The chalk puffs out of this little opening here, and you squeeze it right here, and then it shoots the chalk right on your fabric. So this goes to the ground, and you can move this up and down to mark your hems. So before there were laser levels, there were chalk puffs. Thank you for watching Sewing Anastasia today, and I'd love to know if you're going to go out and now get a laser level self-leveling so that way it's easier for you to hem things. Let me know what you think about this technique down below in the comments. And if you guys aren't already a subscriber, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. And don't forget, I teach classes here in my design studio in Chicago. And if you're looking to learn more about sewing, well, I have an online sewing academy, and we just put out the serging course. Everything you could ever want to know about how to use your serger and make it work for you, check that class out. We also have a Sewing 101 course and a sewing club, so make sure you check out the links down below. And don't forget to follow on socials, so that way we can stay connected and creative together. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!